Today's the day after a year of waiting for stuff because of COVID and parts and pieces, and my machinist, which is super busy. It's actually been over a year, but all the crap's in now. Is it right? I don't know. But today it's around 9:30ish on a Saturday, the 23rd, 2022. I've got this camera set up also, so we got doubles. Got to do that. So let me make sure that's going good. And we'll start this one. Alrighty. Let's start. There we go. Got it. Alrighty, and I guess this is it. Fingers crossed, who knows what's going to happen. You never know. And here we go. So, babe?
Yep.
There's a big fire and explosion, just jump.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Ryder could bail at any time.
Okay, here we go. Didn't expect that. All right, people. Well, she runs. I don't know if she'll roll yet, but she runs. How crazy. With all that crap going on. So, what's next? Figure out the rest of the little doodly-doos and
Doodly doos.
doodly-doos and